Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Today we are talking about another large recall, and this is a large recall for Hyundai because the 24 Santa Fe has not been out that long. It has been kind of a large amount of recalls on it, and you know they say stay away from a first model year vehicle when it changes. I've said that in generalities, my luck has been pretty good with first year model vehicles. I've never had that big of an issue, but the 24 Hyundai Santa Fe is back again for a new recall. Before we get started though, if you guys look down there corner, help a small channel out. Subscribing is free. It just helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. So if you wouldn't mind at the end of the video, also give me a thumbs up and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. Now, as you guys know, I have had Hyundais and Kias, and my general luck with them has been pretty good. I even had several Kia Stingers, first model year Kia Stingers, and very little problems when it comes to the overall safety and or function of the vehicle. But the 24 Santa Fe, brand new vehicle, it's the new box on wheels. I think that looks pretty good, but then again, I like the Ford Flex. So here we go. Hyundai's recalling 34,000 Hyundai Santa Fe FE hybrid models. What's the recall for? So the National Highway Safety Administration, Hyundai, got together and they are recalling this for a sunshade that can unexpectedly close, increasing the risk of injury for the passengers and or the vehicle. The cars that are affected currently in that recall are, again, just the Santa Fe and Santa Fe FA hybrid vehicles. So if you have one of those, make sure you go to the NHTSA website. All the information will be down below in the description so you can cruise through that. Go to the NHTSA website. It is free. It is safe, and you can type in your VIN. It is safe, and check and see if your vehicle is going to be recalled. So they're saying that more than 26,000 vehicles are affected, while about 8,000 hybrid of those Santa Fe's are affected. Letters are going to be sent out January 6th of 2025. And basically what this recall says is the overhead console rear sunshade switch knob may not be fully recessed, which can result in unintentional closing of the sunshade. So is it something dire where you're going to have to do? No, but if you have that function accessory in your vehicle, you may want to make sure you're careful around it and that you are expecting to be able to see out of it if the sunshade does shut. You just pay attention on some of these safety recalls. Again, I appreciate them stepping up and coming to the table saying, hey, we want to rectify this and get that done. But then again, don't forget you have mirrors, you have your senses, you have everything like that. And again, recalls are all free to get corrected and fixed. So even if you're not the first owner, second owner, or your warranty has expired, you obviously can go in and type in recalls. And if there's a remedy, you can go to the dealer and make an appointment to get that done. Again, go to the NHTSA website. Information all down below on the affected vehicles from Hyundai. This is not a deal breaker. I still think Hyundai and Kia make a really wonderful vehicle, and they have an exceptionally good warranty. But as always, I appreciate you guys being here, and we will catch you on the next one.